Uyinja.
Yeah.
Singakazi ukuthi kanti uyinja ngani. Kujiji sasiyathola. Kumele
Who I am, I'm making my game plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, but I'm not evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man. I'm motivated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing. I just do what I was destined, cause I feel I got the blessing. Persistence and obsession, that's how you keep progressing. I already learned that lesson, yeah.
I'm changing, and who I am, I'm making my new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing.
Hello guys, and once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Macele. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So a video of Macele Mseleku jokingly telling Musa Mseleku that he wants babes Wodumo has gone viral, you guys. In the video, Macele can be heard telling her husband that Uyinja se Ufuna babes manje. Musa and Macele jokingly laughed together, and that video has since received comments from their fans saying this. But the correct song lyrics, iti ungijuteleni if I'm not mistaken, one user wrote. And another one wrote, Mr. Mseleku has a great sense of humor, lol, I got you. Chorofajo then wrote, I love this too, and I love the relationship Mamkulu had with Umakumalo. I pray that Musa can keep the promise. Now there you have it, guys. Please do engage with me down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next one. Bye.